Hi, I'm Nitya and he's Madan. We are Sarvesh parents. We enrolled Sarvesh like last 10 months before. About Heguru, I could say it's a one-stop place where kids get lot of exposure to learn new things like color learning, animal-based learning, picture learning, meditation, dance and even storytelling. So I guess it's a very good place for child's overall development. So I find it's a very happy and free time for education, for there is no stress. So yeah, the kids totally enjoy the place.
So we notice a very good improvement in his memory, focus and the observation skills, and he sits for a very long time and he listens whatever he in front of his, and he easily absorbs many things even while traveling, or if he sees small things also, he immediately observes and he maintains that memory for a long time.
Whatever things we expose to him, he is listening, he is not interrupting, he is observing a lot. Previously, he will used to play with the things whatever we give, but now he is logically thinking and connecting the dots like what we can do better. So that improvement I see after coming to Heguru. And also there is no stage fear. Previously he had stage fear, he will feel very shy in front of people. But now I think whenever we say something before some crowd, he is easily going and engaging with the crowd.